Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you, and then enter the Play Store. A quick disclaimer, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to do it right now. So either log in or sign up, so create the account, because without it you will not be able to use or download any games or apps, etc. So after adding your Google account, either here or you can check our tutorial of how to do it in this device, you can simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And right here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed, and all we have to do is tap on Updates Available in order to check which we can download. So if you want to, of course, you can mark all of those apps and update all of them, but if not, you can simply pick one of them or two of them, for example, Google Chrome in my case, and maybe Messages. And after that, after marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically, the apps will be automatically updated. Of course, you do not have to wait in that kind of step. You can just turn it off and do whatever you want, because your device will do it download the updates in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.